how to change your home page meta description or meta title and focus keyword. So click the home page from rank math. So click here showing this. So click this, click when you click here, so it will go the home page. This is the home page. Here is focus keyword. So I am sourcing the focus keyword is this. So this is the focus keyword. So automatically says this is the pillar content activated, and issue is there, we did not use this any, all is everything is working fine. So related post no need. So this is the home page, custom home page, so that's why we do not need this anything. So just click here, you can change them, this one or any custom. This also we can use this. So come here and we can use this also. So you can use this. So this is working well. So this is our meta description. So we are pasting this, now updated this. So when you paste resource and reload this, since this. Thank you. So this is the e-commerce website. We have uploaded the e-commerce website issue. So this is also graph updated.